यथा मं प्रद्यन्ते तंस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्यः पार्थ सर्वशः।
Parth, howsoever men may seek Ishvara through different paths, all men ultimately reach the same destination.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफले हेतुर्भूर्मा ते संगोत्स्वकर्मणि।
Your right is to work only. Do not hanker for fruit thereof. Be not impatient in judging the proportion of your achievement, for the fruit is automatic and cannot be prevented.
यदा ते मोहकलिलं बुद्धिर्व्यतितरिष्यति तदगन्तासि निर्वेदं श्रोतव्यस्य श्रुतस्य च।
When your mind will have fully crossed the mire of delusion, you will then grow indifferent to the enjoyments of this world and the next that have been heard of, as well as to those that are yet to be heard of.
नमःपुरस्तदथा पृष्ठतस्ते नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वदा एव सर्वा अनन्ता विर्यामिता विक्रमाष्टवं सर्वा समाप्रोसीततोऽसि सर्वा।
O Ishvara of infinite prowess, my salutation to you from all sides. You who possesses limitless might, pervade all. You alone is everything.
ज्ञां यतात् प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वामृतमश्नुते अनादिमत्परं ब्रह्म न सत्तत्रासदुच्यते।
He ought to be known, and knowing which one attains supreme bliss. That supreme Ishvara, who is an infinite entity, is neither short, that is good, or nor ashot, that is bad.
दिवि सूर्या सहरस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थितम् यदि भासदृशि स्याद्भासस्तस्य महात्मना।
If there be effluence of 1,000 suns bursting forth all at once in the heaven, even that would hardly approach the splendor of his mighty Ishvara.
सर्वतः पाणिपादं तत्यर्वतो अक्षिशिरोमुखम् सर्वतः श्रुतिमल्लोके सर्वमावृत्य तिष्ठति।
He, as if has hands, feet, eyes, ears, head and mouth in all directions, for it stands pervading all in the universe.
नादत्ते कस्यचित् पपम् नाचैव सुकृतं विभो अजनानेन वृतं ज्ञानं तेन मुच्यन्ति जान्तवः.
Ishvara is much beyond the influence by the virtue or sin of anyone. Knowledge is enveloped in ignorance, and as a result, public constantly fall prey to delusion.
ज्ञानेन तु तद्ज्ञानं येषां नाशीत्मात्मनः तेषामादित्यवज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तत्परम्.
Ignorance has to be set aside by true knowledge of Ishvara. Then wisdom will be shining as the sun shines. The supreme wisdom brings success.
बालं बालाभयतं चहं कामरागविवर्जितं धर्मविरुद्धो भूतेषु कामस्मि भारतर्षभा.
Ishvara is the might of the mighty, free from passion and desire in living beings. He is the normal sexual desire, not conflicting with virtue.
उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयो मा विश्वा बिभर्तव्याय ईश्वरः.
The Supreme Lord is Ishvara. He is infinite being, who is the cause of all causes. He upholds and maintains all, and has been spoken of as the imperishable Lord and the Supreme Spirit.
मुधाग्राहेणात्मनो जत्पिदाय क्रियते तापः परस्योत्सदनार्थं वा तत्यमासमुदरीतम्.
Austerity, which is practiced through perversity and is accompanied with the self-mortification and is intended to harm others, such austerity has been declared as tamosiko, that means perverted pleasure.
दातव्यमिति यद्यानं दीयते नोपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम्.
A gift which is bestowed with the sense of duty on one who is the benefactor and in a suitable time and to a deserving person, that gift has been pronounced as sattvika.
यातु प्रात्युपकारार्थं फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तद्दनं रजसंमृतम्.
A gift which is bestowed in a grudging spirit and with the object of getting a service in return or in the hope of obtaining a reward is called rajasika.
ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशोऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया.
Ishvara abode in the heart of all creatures, causing them to revolve according to their karma by his elusive power.
पारस्तस्मस्तु भावन्या व्यक्तो व्यक्तः सनातना यस सर्वेषु भूतेषु नास्यत्सु न विनायसति.
Far beyond even this manifest, yet other manifests exists, and Supreme Divine Person who will not perish even though all things of this world will perish one day.
अश्रद्धया हुतं दत्तं तपस्तप्तं कृतं च यत् असदित्युच्यते पार्थ न च तत्प्रेत्यनो इह.
An oblation which is offered, a gift given, an austerity practiced, and whatever good deed is performed without faith are all termed as naught and is of no result.
याद्यादचरति श्रेष्ठास्तत्यदेवेतरो जना सायत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Whatever a great man does, that very thing other men also do. However, whatever standard the great man sets up, the general masses follow the same.
उत्सीदेउरि मे लोका न कुर्य कर्म चेदहम् संकारस्य च कर्ता स्यामुपहन्यामिमः प्रजः.
If Ishvara ceases to act, this world will perish. Similarly, by not working, a person causes confusion and ultimately destruction of general people.
इन्द्रियाणि परन्याहुर् इन्द्रियाभ्यः परमनः मनसस्तु परबुद्धिर् यो बुद्धे परतस्तु सा.
Senses that are said to be greater than the body, but greater than the senses is the mind. Greater than the mind is the intellect, and what is greater than the intellect is Ishvara, that is the conscience.
ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय विशां शूद्राणां च परं तपः कर्माणि प्रविभक्तानि स्वभावप्रभवैर्गुण्यः.
Designation of the Brahmana, the Kshatriya and the Vaishya as well as that of Shudras are to be divided according to the manifestation of their professional qualities.
सनयसस्तु महाबाहो दुःखमप्तुमयो गता जोगाजुक्तमुनिर्ब्रह्मा न चिरेणाधिगच्छति.
Without karma yoga, that is one who performs his duty with perfection and passion. And Shankha Yoga, that is renunciation in search of true knowledge. Whereas the Karma Yogi, one who performs his duty with perfection and passion, who keeps his mind fixed on God, realizes Brahma, that is God, in no time.
न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभु न कर्मफलसंयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते.
Ishvara determines not the doership, not the doing of the men, nor even with the result of the actions, but it is the nature of the man which alone functions.
सर्वकर्मण्यपि सदा कुर्वनो मद्यपसरया मत्प्रसादद्भप्रति सस्वतं पादमभ्ययम्.
The Karma Yogi who depends on Ishvara attains his grace, the eternal imperishable state, even through performing all the actions.